We're on the road in Casablanca, Morocco, and today we're going to talk about spices. No trip to Morocco is complete without taking home fresh spices. Since we didn't have time to go to the huge spice market in Casablanca this time, we went to a spice shop in an up-and-coming neighborhood called Bachkou. This area used to be part of a shanty town, but is now full of bustling cafes, bakeries, butchers, and lucky for us, this new spice shop. Here they sell every dry good imaginable, ranging from rice and beans to nuts and pasta, and they grind spices for you on the spot. The top spices used in Moroccan cooking are ginger, turmeric, paprika, cumin, and cinnamon. Freshly ground spices are unlike anything you buy from a store. They are super rich in taste and make cooking a delight. This is ginger root and turmeric root. Ginger and turmeric powders are made from dehydrated roots such as these, and it's fascinating to watch the transformation. Paprika is made by grinding dried red peppers. Unlike fresh ginger and turmeric powders, fresh paprika will be bright and heavy. Cumin powder is obtained by grinding the seeds. This shopkeeper sifts the seeds and removes any debris that is not part of the seed. A different machine is used that allows the shopkeeper to keep the cumin seeds in motion as the grinder works. Spices will keep longer if stored in sealed glass containers, so once we get back to France, we transfer these over. Any leftovers go in the freezer, which also helps maintain their freshness over time. Join us next time when we will spend a few days on a Moroccan farm. See you then!